HBM Organic. So if you're just coming across me for the first time, hello. I just want to tell you about our physical skincare class coming up on the 3rd of October. So for those of you that have been asking me, HBM, I want you to train me, I want to train with you. Yes, our skincare class is starting on the 3rd of October, and I'm here to tell you that I am the best tutor you can train with. I am the best skincare formulator you can train with, because you know what? I'll be teaching you my experiences, not just giving you the book, not just telling you the percentage usage rate, not just telling you about one active powder or the other, but I'll be teaching you my experience. Take for an example, yesterday I made a lotion, and believe me, this lotion, I made this lotion with Kojic acid, and lo and behold, the white lotion I formulated yesterday turned yellow this morning. So when I made this lotion yesterday, this lotion was white. So let me show you the one I've made for 2 months ago, and it's still white. So you can see I made this lotion 2 months ago, and you can see the lotion is still white. This one has not oxidized. Can you see? The lotion is white. You can see this one is white. So seeing the lotion turning yellow this morning, then I noticed that something is wrong, and I have figured out that thing that's made my lotion to go wrong. So as a skincare formulator, I have written series of recipes and I have put them to test. Many of them go wrong, many of them comes out well. So those one that goes wrong, I try to learn from them. I try to learn from my mistake. I readjust and I try again, and they come out good. That is what a skincare formulator is. You have to keep trying. Believe me, many skincare formulators, this is what they do to become better. So I'm going to teach you to learn from my experience. I'm not going to teach you to waste your skincare ingredient, because many people teaches you how you can waste your skincare ingredient. But for me, I'm going to teach you how to get it right from the first time trying. So enroll for my skincare class. It starts on the 3rd of October. That is, you'll be learning how to make different types of lotions and cream. This class is strictly on emulsions, how to make your lotions, how to make your cream. So the first 5 people to enroll for the class will be getting my supplier's contact, where I buy my skincare ingredient from, where you can buy original, because if you don't work with original skincare ingredient, you're not going to create an effective formula. So see you in the class. Bye.